All right, so this is Linguistics 205 Week 1. You've watched the welcome video, so I'm hoping you're already familiar with the syllabus and the learning outcomes documents. In this video, I want to set the pattern for the weeks to come. These weekly videos will aim at three main things. They'll recap the previous week, preview the material that we're covering this week. I'm not teaching in video lectures completely, but I'll preview the material, and a reminder of the important items coming up in our term schedule, assignment, quiz, meeting, and whatnot. Okay, so this is the first week, so there really isn't anything to recap. But before I get to new material, I just want to do a bit of meta comment on these videos. I'm going to be posting a new video like this every week and sharing it through the discussion forum. I've also created a YouTube playlist for these videos, and I'll add them there. You can get the playlist alongside the welcome video on eClass. It's in that same page. I'll also add other videos, ones that I make or have made, some from other people's videos to that playlist if I think they're helpful for the course. So if you come across a video that you think would be helpful, please share it, and I can add it to that playlist. Because I teach multiple classes and I've taught other classes and done other things at the university in the past, my YouTube channel has a bunch of other things in it. So I don't recommend subscribing to the channel if all you want is the videos for this course. That playlist link is what you want for that. Okay, so the material we're covering this week, as we get settled into the new winter semester routine, it's really just an overview of the Ling 101 materials, the phonetic stuff from Linguistics 101. And you can find that in eClass under the Week 1 section. So as the title in eClass is Week 1 Articulatory Phonetics / 101 Review. So this is basically your chance to refresh all the intro linguistics material you learned about phonetics. You might have learned it last semester, you might have learned it last year, you might have learned it way much further in the past. Depending on how fresh the material is, you may want to spend a lot of time on this section or very little. We don't have a graded quiz for this week, so you do have a bit of grace time to get up to speed, and it's entirely up to you how much you engage with that. On the syllabus, I've identified Chapter 2 of the textbook with this week. And that chapter lays the groundwork that your intro linguistics course should have covered. In eClass, as I said, I've included lecture videos and related material from the phonetics section of my own Ling 101 course. Aside from Ling 101 review, I'd like you to make sure this week that you have everything you need. Get the textbook, check out next week's material on language classification, and sort of set up your routine, right? As for important items scheduled this week, if you check in the syllabus, the only thing is our Tuesday meeting. That's from 5 to 6 p.m. Alberta time. For if you're in another time zone, that's Mountain Standard Time, which is UTC -7. And that's going to be it until March 14th is when we in Alberta switch to Mountain Daylight Time, UTC -6. Okay, so I'll flag that up when we get closer to it. We don't have a bunch of new content to discuss this week, and the tutorials, the Tuesday evening tutorials, are optional in any case, but I do want to encourage you to come along to the tutorial if you're able to. This is a great chance for us to start off on the right foot, interacting and asking questions, answering questions, get to know each other, establish a bit of a classroom atmosphere before we're neck deep in everything. You know, I'm teaching this course and one other. I'm sure you're taking a bunch of other courses too, most of you. So even if you don't plan to come along every week, if you can come on Tuesday, that'd be great. So that's it for this week's video. So check out the Week 1 section on eClass, make sure you have the textbook, and if you can, come along to the tutorial. I'm really excited to start this semester with you all, so hopefully I will see you soon.